Good day, Africa. Welcome to Unique to Africa. As you all know, we go around Africa, we talk to entrepreneurs, black entrepreneurs who are running their own businesses. We try to understand the challenges, but most importantly, we try to promote their businesses all over the continent. Now, the aim of this is to get Africans that travel to other African countries to know exactly where to give support. We want to grow as many entrepreneurs in Africa as we can. And for that reason, we're going around Africa talking to different entrepreneurs, advertising their businesses and giving them maximum exposure on our channel. So please, if you do have a similar business, do invite us. We want to talk to you. We want to understand the challenges you face, but also we want to try and see if you're looking for funding for investors, and those that are watching this channel can be able to come to you to understand what kind of funding, what kind of investment you're looking for. Right now, we are in Windhoek on Independence Road, and we are at a place called The Happy Place. What a name to give to a business. It tells you a lot about what you will find. And we are just walking in, but guess what? We find a lady who is actually so glued to her ice cream. Oh my word, you seem to be getting every life out of this ice cream.
I am.
Wow, okay. Do you always come to Happy Place, the Happy Place?
Always. Every time I have free time, this is my happy place.
Wow, what brings you here all the time?
Apart from their lovely ice cream,
Okay,
and their variety and range that they provide, their
yes.
hospitality is amazing.
I have to say, I have had a taste of that hospitality, and that is why I keep coming back here.
Yes.
What especially do you love here?
I love what I have right now.
Okay, and what is that?
Flavored,
Lemon flavor,
lemon
okay.
flavored and salted butter caramel.
They do have a salted and butter.
Yes.
Whoa, okay. And that is actually finished. You can see this is
Yes,
finished.
it's most loved.
All right, you can tell. So we inviting you guys. Would you guys like to? You can be on the channel if you want. You can move if you don't want. Is it okay? And these are more customers that are coming into this shop. I can tell you now, it's very irresistible. They cannot stay away from this shop. Am I lying or am I just making it up? Can you guys say that? Am I lying? No, I'm not. Okay. So Africa, we are inviting you to the Happy Place. When you come to Windhoek, make sure you situate Independence Road. When you are on Independence Road, make sure you come to the Happy Place. It's situated on Independence Road and it's directly opposite car list Mao. There is also an F&B on the side of the road, so you will never ever miss that. We've been given an opportunity to talk to the owner of this place. She's going to tell us about what she does and what actually makes customers not able to stay away from her shop. The new business we are visiting today is My Happy Place. It's a small shop situated on Independence Road. And small in this sense does not by any chance describe what you can find from here. I've been very privileged to meet the owner of the shop, and we're going to talk to her and find out what is it that makes the entire Windhoek wants to come here. Please welcome Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Lenise.
Can I have a handshake? Your name is?
Lenise.
Lenise.
Yes.
So this is Lenise, and Lenise is the owner of My Happy Place. We have been privileged enough to talk to her, and like I said, we go around the continent and we promote African entrepreneurs. We would like to hear from Lenise what she does and what makes her do what she does. Please tell us why My Happy Place.
Okay.
Why the name? Let's start from there.
So, my happy place is basically a play on words that we thought about.
Okay.
What would make people happy?
Okay.
So, we offer coffee, we offer gelato, which is our speciality,
Okay.
and then we have some alcoholic beverages. So, there's something to cater for everyone.
There is something for everyone.
Yes.
You mentioned gelato.
Yes.
Right? There's a lot of people in the continent listening to this. They would have no idea what gelato is.
Yeah.
Could you please shed some light on that?
So, gelato is, a lot of people would call it ice cream.
Okay.
Can I maybe just take you guys over there and
Of course.
explain it to
All
you?
right.
So here's our selection of gelato.
Okay.
It's sort of like ice cream, not
Okay.
really. Very condensed and made from, let's say, more natural ingredients. We
Okay.
don't add chemicals, we don't add anything like that.
Yes.
So our sorbets and our gelato made from real fruit, all the
Yes.
sorbets, and then the gelato, like the chocolate, we make from real chocolate. Rum
Yeah.
and raisin, we make our own rum and raisin mix here.
You make your own ramen raisin.
Yes.
Interesting.
Grenadilla. So everything we try to make in house.
Okay.
Nothing chemical or nothing really added to the gelato. So it's a very condensed and dense chocolate
Yes.
uh, ice cream.
Okay.
Yeah, that's basically what sets it apart from normal ice cream.
Perfect. And this business has been running here for how long?
We've been here for a year.
For a year.
Yeah.
And how do you find it? How do you find the response from clients?
It's a bit erratic
Okay.
because clients are not predictable.
That is
shall
correct.
I say?
Yes.
So it's been interesting trying to read the market.
Yes.
And trying to engage clients.
Okay.
But once we have them, we keep them. So
I'm happy to hear that, and especially from the few people that I've spoken to,
Yeah.
they seem very, very happy.
yeah.
The other question is, for the period that you've been running this, do you think it's worth it? Is it something that you think you can still carry on?
Yes.
Okay, so for the next few years you can still go on. Now, one of the things that we promote on the channel, we don't only want to ask Africans to come and support you. That's one of the aims of that. But we also find out from entrepreneurs
Yeah.
if they are looking to expand the business. So if you had a means, would you like to have a bigger My Happy Place?
No.
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 So you're happy with what you have now?
Yes.
You're not looking for expansion, maybe franchises?
I would maybe like to have another outlet.
Okay.
But I think my end goal would be to be in the supermarkets.
In the supermarket?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is holding you back from that?
Just testing the market basically. So we
Testing.
need to see where would be strategic enough for us
Okay.
to make it, you
Yeah.
know? So yeah.
Look, Africans, they love going around the continent, and sometimes it's just for tourism.
Mm-hmm.
But some of them, they want to go to places where they can invest.
Yeah.
Now, My Happy Place seems to be a very thriving business from what I've seen, even though it's just running for a year. Would you accept a franchise proposal, for example, if Africans find that this looks like the business that I can do, and Windhoek is the place to run a business? Would you offer such an opportunity if requested?
I think if it were not in Windhoek,
Yes,
yes.
you would
Yeah.
go for it.
The market is very small.
Yes.
So you need to also be realistic to say what are the expansion capabilities
Yes.
and how would it thrive if it were in another location in Windhoek.
All right.
So if it were outside of Windhoek, I think Swakop already has their own specialty gelato store.
But it's not unique to what you have. Don't you
What's-
think competition is kind of healthy?
It is, but you need to be realistic.
Okay. I agree
So
with
maybe
you.
I think it would do well elsewhere,
Yes.
just not in Windhoek.
Not in Vinto.
Yeah,
So maybe Okahanja. No, it's a very small place.
yeah,
Walvis Bay, maybe.
possibly. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, you've heard it from Lydia, correct?
Lenise.
Lenise. You've heard it from Lenise. Lenise is the owner of My Happy Place. It's in Windhoek. I am asking all of you guys who are watching this channel, when you get to Windhoek, please make it a point that you make a stop here and try one of her products. It could be coffee, it could be the ice cream, or anything else you find in the shop. She's a very welcoming lady. Remember, we go to entrepreneurs who are very receptive, who are warm. We try to promote those businesses. And if you are watching this channel from anywhere else in the continent and you would like to give your business exposure, be it you wanting people to visit your shop when they visit your country, or you want investors to invest in your business, please do invite us. And if you have a product that you'd like to have feature on our website, please do call us and have a conversation with us. We thank you very much for watching the channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. For Unique to Africa, we out. Thank you. And thank you very much
You're very
for
welcome.
affording us the time to talk to you.
Thank you, Elvis.
All right.